Alright, we're going to do the checking of each point of page 59 of your workbook, that is practice of present simple. Vamos a revisar cada ejercicio de la página 59 del workbook, right? So here, we have to complete the test with the negative simple past form of the verbs. Dice así. Yesterday was Saturday. Como era sábado, I didn't go to school. No fui al colegio. I got up very late. Got up, despertarse, levantarse, very late. So, I didn't eat any breakfast. No comí desayuno porque me levanté very late. This is the answer here. I didn't eat any breakfast, just lunch, el almuerzo. Then I went shopping, but I didn't see, no vi, nada bueno, anything good. So, I didn't buy anything, no compré nada. My parents went bowling last night, but my brother Mike and I didn't go. No fuimos. Fueron mis padres al bowling, pero mi hermano y yo no. We stayed home and watched baseball game on TV. Our team didn't win. Todas estas eran negativas, porque las instructions said negative simple past form of the verbs. ¿Cómo se forma el pasado? El pasado simple negativo, con el did not o didn't y el verbo en su forma natural. Este no lo transformamos a pasado simple, sino que lo dejamos natural. Porque el didn't me hace la versión o me cumple la función mejor de past simple. Okay? Now, let's go to exercise number 2. That says complete the questions about exercise 1. Then answer the question with short answers. Todo con base en esto. Entonces lo que teníamos que hacer era formar preguntas. ¿Cómo se forman las preguntas? Simplemente pongo el did, la persona y el verbo. Did you get up very late? Did you eat any lunch? Did you buy anything when you went shopping? Did your parents go bowling last night? Did you and Mike stay home last night? Did you and Mike watch soccer on TV? Did your team win yesterday? Y las respuestas pues eran con base en lo que leímos. Entonces, did you go to school? Era go to school, right? Wait. Yeah, did you go to school yesterday? No, I didn't. Number 2. Did you get up very late? Yes, I did. Porque I, porque yo, porque estamos personificando la persona del texto. Did you eat any lunch? Did you eat any lunch? Yes, I did. Did your parents go, here. Did you buy anything when you went shopping? No, I didn't. Did you buy anything when you went shopping? No, I didn't. Did your parents go bowling last night? Yes, they did. And now we have here number 7. Let's see number 7. Did you and Mike watch soccer on TV? No. Ellos no estaban viendo soccer, estaban viendo baseball. Did your team win? No, it didn't.